So this is our refractometer RX series, and today we are going to give a demo, and in this demo we will include one oil, one ketchup, one ghee and one fruit drink in this demo. So now we are turning on the instrument. So this is the introduction of the instrument. We can skip it by clicking on any of the any portion of the screen. Now this is our main home screen. We have to go to the measurement and then we'll start doing the reading of the refractometer. But for that, first of all, we have to do the water zero. For that, we have already poured the water in the well. You can see the water and the prism. We have to fill the prism with water, closing the lid and focusing on the screen. We will first do the measurement of the this water, and right now if you can see that the target temperature is 20, which we can set up to 75, and present temperature is like it's 21 something, and it is decreasing and getting stable. Now the temperature has been set to 20 degrees Celsius, and we'll press the start button. It will show the reading, and after that we will do the water zero. Now it's showing the reading. Actually the reading is correct, but if you get any variations, you can go for water zero, which we will show you. Press the zero button and it will do the water zero. The water zero is done. Now cleaning the prism is a very important part of the instrument, because if the prism is not clean, you will not get the proper reading. So depending upon the samples, you have to clean the instrument. Right now we have used water, so a plain cleaning is enough with a dry soft tissue paper. As you can see, the prism is now clean. Now we can load the samples, and we have used this sealed bottle of Fruit Valley, a brand in India, northern India especially, and the drink is lychee drink. We are loading the sample. As you can see, just 2 to 3 drops of the sample to cover the prism, and that's enough. That's okay. The prism again has been covered by the sample. We'll close the lid and wait for the temperature to get stable. As you can see, the temperature has been set. We'll press the start button, and again within 3 to 5 seconds the reading will come. It's 14.64 and the RI is 1.35510. We'll again check the repeatability of the instrument by pressing the start button again, and it will show 14.64 again. Pressing again. So now as we can see, the reading is same. We'll clean the prism, and this time we'll remove the particles, the residue, with distilled water, so that the prism will be clean. So now the prism is clean. Now we are using this ketchup sachet to check the bricks of this ketchup. So we have placed the sauce. Thin layer of the sauce is enough to get the reading. The temperature is stable, and we will press the start button now. It's 38.79. Again we will do the reading. 38.80. We'll again do the reading. 38.80. Now we have loaded the ghee sample and we have set the temperature at 40 and it's 39.97 at present, and the scale we have changed it to the Vitero scale, which is basically the standard in the dairy industry. We'll pressing the start button. (42.80). Again we will do the readings. The screen will also show the refractive index value, that is the ND value. Here we can see it is 1.45432. Again we are taking the reading. 42.77. So now we will do the mustard oil sample. Loading the sample on the prism. Just have to take the 3 to 4 drops just to cover the prism. The prism has been covered, as you can see. We'll wait for the temperature equilibrium. As you can see, the temperature is about to reach 40 degrees. Pressing the start button. (60.27). Pressing again the start button. Again, as you can see that it will also show the refractive index value. Prism having the sample like ghee or oil, we have to clean it with ethanol, and that is all for the refractometer. Thank you.